So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw something with me? Yeah! How about we draw my Blippi Activator watch? Yeah! I love my Blippi Activator watch. It's not a normal watch. It's a watch that I can add these really cool special attachments to my Blippi mobile. Whoa! Okay, to draw my Activator watch, we need to draw a square, but with rounded corners, okay? So let's go like this, rounded corner. And then we need to draw another one right inside that. Now it's really looking like a watch, right? Yeah, because that's the screen. Okay, but first let's take light blue and draw a horizontal line, just like this. Whoa! And then here's its knob right here. Yeah. Whoa, this is really cool. And down here I have a lot of cool buttons, and they're very colorful. Ooh, and this button right here is light blue. There we go. Whoa, perfect! And then right over here, we have a green button. So let's take the color green and draw a button. Perfect! Whoa! Now we need to take pink. Wow, so pinky! So we have green, pink. Do you know what color this one is? It's the color of the sun. Yeah, yellow. So now let's draw a yellow rectangle, just like that. Perfect. Whoa, and actually there's a yellow thing right over here, and it looks kind of like this. Whoop, woo, whoop. Perfect. Whoa, it's almost complete. We just have one more color. It's one of my two favorite colors. Yeah, blue. Well, this one's a lighter blue, and this one is a darker blue. So here we go. Now let's draw a rectangle down, over, up, over. Whoa! It definitely looks like my Activator watch. That was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make